Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of July 25th through the 31st in my Recollections vertical planner. This week I'm using this Pirates of the Caribbean kit from B&R Paper Crafts. I was planning to use this earlier in July, but we're actually going to go to Alcatraz here on this Thursday, so it felt very appropriate. I know Alcatraz isn't really about pirates, but it feels very appropriate, and I'm definitely going to be sticking with the most nautical of the full boxes. That's kind of my plan. So we have these 9 full boxes. This is the bottom washi, a little extra half box thing, some date covers, a bunch of boxes, functional things, full box checklists, 4 more full boxes, date dots, weekend banner, other bits and pieces here, some little things, glitter headers, stuff like that, and then label headers, washi strips, tiny boxes, all of that stuff. So my plan, I'm going to start sticking some things over to the side that I don't need right now. I'm going to stick down the bottom washi and the date covers. The date covers are going to, or the bottom washi is going to take up like this whole bottom space, so we're going to fit it as best we can. I'll use the date dots. I'm going to stick down the full box checklists, and then I'm also going to stick down the headers in the to do today little things order. So I'm going to do all of that stuff. If you've seen me use any of these B&R Paper Crafts kits before, you kind of know more or less what I'm going to be doing. It's going to kind of be the same as it usually is. So I'm going to do all that stuff. I have my Tombow correction tape to get rid of things that I need to remove so that it can be covered. I have my Beauty 360 pointed tweezers from CVS for that stuff. Anyway, I'm going to do all that, and then I will come back for us to do the interesting bits. Okay, here is where we are up to so far. I think it's looking pretty cute. In terms of full boxes, let me see if I can find them. We have these 13. I actually only need 8, which means I have 5 that I don't need. So this one, I'm not going to include. This one and this one, I'm not going to include. I think I'm going to skip this one as well. These 4, and then I think I'm going to skip this one as well. So I think that's going to be my set. I think I'm going to use this guy as my quote box. Just kind of feeling the vibes. There we go. And then I'm going to use this other one that's kind of like sketch version of that ship here on Thursday. And then I feel like these two kind of go together. And these two are kind of the same color scheme, so then that leaves these two as kind of like the oddballs, as it were. So I think what I'm gonna do is stick this one right here, and then this guy over here. There we go. And then I'm going to put this one over here. And then this one on this side. so. I'm going to stick that to the side because I don't need that one anymore. And I think I'm going to put the boots on Sunday. Sunday's going to be like recovery day for us, so feels appropriate. And then stick this one over here. There we go. All right, that looks great. Definitely excited. All right, for the sidebar, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the this week. Okay. Like so. And then, let's see, there's one habit tracker. There's another habit tracker. I don't need some of these pages. Sure, we'll go with that. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use just this habit tracker. There we go. I don't know what I'm gonna track exactly, probably like highlights or something like that. And then I'm gonna do the dinners header. Some of these might not actually be dinners, but it'll be fine. I'm gonna stick this guy in. I usually track whatever my biggest meal of the day is, rather than like strictly dinners. There we go. And then I think I'm gonna stick in the this week header down here as well. Yeah, we'll just go with that. And then I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna put in here, but I'm gonna take this guy and I'm gonna cut off the bottom row, and then I'm gonna stick this down. There we go. So that follows my usual setup over here. Since I'll be traveling, things will be a little weird, but I think that I can stick some stuff in here that'll work out. In terms of things we're doing, Monday, we're gonna still be in Vegas and I have no idea what we're doing. So I'm just not gonna fill anything in there. Tuesday, Monday I do actually have something. I'm gonna stick the Plan With Me Monday guy up. I'm still gonna post a Plan With Me. You'll see it by the time it's up. It's just gonna be an abbreviated one of the previous week. But I don't know what else is gonna happen that day. Tuesday, we are going to be flying. I think I'm gonna use little flags to mark these. So I'm gonna take maybe this guy. I'm just gonna mark in our flight there, and then after that we are going to meet up with a friend. She's gonna pick us up from the airport. I'm gonna use, maybe I just use this guy. Sure. Friends picking us up from the airport. We're probably gonna eat, not sure what else we're doing. I'm just gonna fill that in there. Wednesday, as part of the day, we're going to be meeting up with my aunt so that we can eat something, have lunch together. I'm gonna stick, maybe do it as this flag. I'm gonna stick it kind of in the middle because, you know, lunchtime, as it were. Thursday, we are spending the morning going to Alcatraz. I think I'm going to use this one. We have a cruise booked, ferry, whatever. I'm going to go to Alcatraz. Not sure what we're doing in the afternoon, but probably Fisherman's Wharf, Pier 39, something like that, but we'll fill that in there. Friday, I'm going to take this tiny guy, and I'm going to be posting a video still. This is going to be my August Book Bujo setup. Thank you for your service, as Caitlin would say. So I will be posting that that day. Otherwise on Friday, I'm not really sure what we're doing. And then on Saturday, most of that day is being spent flying. I was going to use another flag, but that's like, it takes up the entire day because that's what happens when you fly back east. So maybe this one? Sure. And then I'm going to just stick this guy in right there. And then Sunday is our catch-up day. So that's all I have right now in terms of pre-planning. But you guys will see the finished spread when we have all of our trip activities filled in. So stick around for just a second and you'll see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. It turned out super cute. I love the colors. It definitely still reads summer, even though it's kind of like a darker vibes than most of them. Basically, everything came from the kit from B&R Paper Crafts. As usual, I have a ton of leftovers, so I still have all of these left to use in a future spread. So I'm going to throw those in my leftovers. The only thing I pulled in from somewhere else from my stash is this one sticker from Chasing Chels because I thought it was perfect and it fit with the spread really well, but everything else came from the kit. It was a super fun week doing all of the traveling and all of that kind of stuff. Very busy. I'm definitely very tired. We walked 20,000 plus steps basically every day. But it was super fun, and I love how this kit turned out, and it definitely kind of fit in with the vibes while we were at Alcatraz and things like that. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it, and I love to hear from you guys. So also let me know down below if you've been on vacation recently or about to go on vacation, and let me know what you did or what you have planned to do. I would love to hear about that as well. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see the in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.